Time for sports, and GOR Mahia head coach Frank Nuttal is expected by the club on Saturday to continue with his duties. The club has reiterated that while his contract has not been sorted out, negotiations are ongoing. According to the club chairman Ambrose Rachier, the two parties agreed on a pay cut, but the deal has not yet been sorted out. Hassan Juma reports.
It has not been business as usual at GOR Mahia. Their head coach Frank Nattal is missing in action, and reports emerged this week that the scout had been fired. The social media was abuzz with fans posting mixed reactions.
And that's what he decides to do, and he puts it in the net.
Nattal was instrumental last season as the Green Army retained the Kenya Premier League unbeaten, a feat that endeared him to thousands of fans. The club was quick to clarify the position.
I have instructed my deputy, who was actually in communication with him. He happens to be a lawyer, Mr. Francis Wasuna. I've instructed him to write a letter to clarify that Frank Nattal is not dismissed.
But what caused the anxiety we saw to know?
We were struggling to pay him his salaries. So we wrote to him and made a request to him directly that if he could agree to reduce his salary by half, to which he responded in the affirmative. We have an email from him saying that he agrees, he appreciates our financial situation and agrees to a pay cut.
Rachier has assured GOR Mahia fans that Nattal will manage the side this season.
There have been exchanges between his lawyers and our lawyers, which are still going on. So there is no letter of dismissal from us.
GOR Mahia takes on Bandari on Saturday in the Super Cup, which acts as the league curtain raiser. And Frank Nattal's assistant, Frank Ouna, was cautious in his approach.
You might look at it as a disadvantage because of the heat, but it's an advantage in terms of physiologically we have an advantage over Coastal.
The two sides will represent Kenya in continental football this year. Hassan Juma, KTN News.